When a grounding bar kit is installed in a main panel along with an equipment grounding bar and the green screw is in place on the neutral bus bar, inspectors may require its removal due to the potential for neutral ground current. The grounding bar kit creates a parallel path for neutral current through the equipment grounding system. This can lead to neutral ground current, which can cause overheating of neutral conductors and equipment. This is considered a code violation. According to the National Electrical Code, specifically NEC 250.24 FIV, in alternating current electrical systems, a common grounding electrode shall not be used as a neutral conductor. Installing a grounding bar kit essentially connects the neutral system to the grounding electrode system. This creates a safety hazard. Neutral ground current can also interfere with ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, reducing their effectiveness and preventing electrical shock. The prohibition against using the common grounding electrode as a neutral conductor is explicitly stated in NEC 250.24 FIV. Instead of using a grounding bar kit, proper sized jumpers can be installed between the equipment grounding bar and the neutral bus bar. Jumpers must meet certain requirements. Firstly, size. The jumper must be sized according to the NEC based on the ampacity of the neutral conductor. Secondly, insulation. The jumper must be properly insulated to prevent accidental contact with live conductors. Thirdly, installation. The jumper must be installed securely and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. It's important to consult the NEC Handbook on Grounding and Bonding for comprehensive guidance. Also, refer to resources such as the Code of Best Practices for Electrical Safety in the Workplace and the IT Electrical Inspection Handbook, 18th edition, for additional insights. Understanding these regulations and best practices ensures electrical safety and code compliance in main panel installations. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when working with electrical systems.